Are you looking to take the next step in your cybersecurity career or open the door to cybersecurity from other areas in IT? Security Plus is the leading global certification that proves you have the core cybersecurity skills to advance your career. Nearly 600,000 IT pros have earned CompTIA Security Plus. Once you have Security Plus, the #1 core cybersecurity certification on the market, you can problem solve a wider variety of today's complex security issues. Prepare yourself with hands-on coverage of the latest trends and techniques. You'll learn the 5 areas of security, including attacks, threats, and vulnerabilities, architecture and design, implementation, operations and incident response, and GRC. Security Plus has become the gold standard for corporations and governments worldwide. For years, it has been the primary choice for fulfilling U.S. Department of Defense 8140-8570 compliance. Security Plus has demonstrated its ability to make sure you have the right foundation for your cyber career. Because Security Plus has helped organizations for years, it's no wonder that more and more people in various job roles are turning to Security Plus to enrich their security skill set. Study with the official CompTIA content exclusively developed for Security Plus and hit the ground running with the best cybersecurity certification on the market. Prepare yourself to address today's threats as well as anticipate the next attack. Head on over to CompTIA.org/security to learn more and secure your future.